The
Give,
obvious study.
give me your good. What are the good things?
Sir, I am concentrating in study now,
Okay.
And my mind is alert while teacher teach me,
Very good.
and that's all.
Very good. Teachers are saying anything about you. Parents are saying anything about you.
Yes, sir. There was my result now. I got third place.
After starting this course.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What was the exam?
Sir, exam was easy, and
What was the subject of this annual, quarterly, pre-quarterly? What are these?
it was periodic.
Periodic. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. I am very happy. Keep it up. Concentrate,
Yes, sir.
more concentrate. And Renuka, what about Renuka?
Sir, there is obvious changes and I am now more focused.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. What else? Anything else you want to share?
Yes, sir, I can feel the changes happening in me.
Are you feeling happiness inside your mind?
Yes, sir.
That is important. You have to be very happy inside mind so that you become more creative.
Sir, I am already a happy person.
Very, very good, very good. See, all those dances, whatever I have shown you or taught you, right? Those are because of that. Just to coordinate your body and mind. Those exercises with the dance mode, shaking head, shaking legs, right? Those are two. It is called motor skill. If your
Yes,
if your body and mind are coordinated, are in same sequence, then you will be the performer, best performer. So dance, there are many dances like that. Even Bollywood dances are also that. That is called fitness dance. Those things are very important. First thing that they make you happy, right? Second thing that it increases the coordination between your body and mind, right?
yes,
So
sir.
all the things what I have taught, all the things you have practiced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us. Nityashree joined, but now she is not there. না ওই লাইটটা বন্ধ করে এই লাইটটা জ্বালিয়ে Shall we wait for Mr. Sri?
Yes, sir.
Have you practiced this thing, imagining what is there in other rooms? Anything practiced?
Yes, sir.
What you did? Tell me what you have done.
Sir,
Sir,
all
I
the
have
exercise
Tell me
like with
sir,
one by
eye
one.
exercise and
Yeah.
throat exercise and visualization.
Visualization,
And
the way in visualization, I have told two things. One is about your study, about your sports. That is one visualization. Other
Yes.
visualization, I have told that you imagine what is there in other room. Right? There are two categories. Suppose if you close your eyes and try to find out if you have got cards at your home. Do you have cards at your home? Playing cards?
no, sir.
Playing cards you have at your home? No.
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir. Okay. Anything else? Any color book, children book, or anything?
Sir, I have practiced a new exercise today only.
What is that?
Uh, many words are present on a page in different colors, and I give 30 seconds to myself to observe the picture, and after 30 seconds I try to visualize and tell the colors, the colors which particular word has.
That is what I am trying to tell you. That is what I am trying to tell you. That if you have got any color book or color cards or something like that, then you close your eyes and touch the things, smell the things, and visualize the things. Right? The process what I am teaching you, this process will increase the sharpness of your brain. Sharpness of your brain, sharpness of your senses. What are the senses? You all know that visualization, seeing, hearing, smelling, all that. So whenever you close your eyes and try to find out a color, you find out in your way. I will not tell which way. By blindfolded seeing, by touching, by smelling, whatever way you can do, find out that thing and tell me. Have you done that practice?
no, sir.
You do that. Renuka, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Instead of cards, I have used ABCD alphabetical words.
Okay. That is what I am trying to tell you people. Either alphabetical cards, colors, ABCD, different colors, different language, whatever. You should identify the color and the number or the letter by blindfolding your eyes. Right?
Yes,
Shall we practice, Nipun, shall we practice this now?
Okay, sir.
You have color books?
Yes, yes, sir. I have.
Color books, different color, different letters, right?
Yes, sir.
When you are ready, tell me.
Sir, can I use crayon color?
Yes, yes, you can. Any color. Just to differentiate whether your capacity to differentiate has come up or not. That's what I want to check.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Nityashree. Nityashree, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Unmute your mic and video.
Sir,
How is your grandma?
she is fine now, sir.
Now what we are doing practice, Nityashree, do you have a colored book, ABCD color, anything like
No,
that?
sir.
Any
No, sir.
color book or any color cards or cloths or anything?
I have coloring books, sir. Coloring cloths also I have, sir. Color cloths.
Cloths.
Yes, sir.
Any different color, you bring some
Yes,
different
sir.
color so that by closing your eyes, by blindfolding your eyes, you can identify whether you can identify. That the practice
Okay,
is that. Okay, bring that.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. First of all, blindfold your eyes with some cloths.
Sir, can I use sketch pens also, sir?
Yes, yes, any color, any color.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm ready now.
Okay, let Nipun and Nityas be ready.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
Sir, I'm also ready, sir.
Okay.
sir, I am also ready.
Okay. Now, now make sure that you don't see. Make sure that you don't see anything. Right?
Yes, sir.
Make sure that you don't see anything. Be truthful. Okay. Nipun, let me see you.
Sir, my camera is not switching on. I
Try it. Nityasri, you practiced
Yes, sir.
all the practice exercises of what I have shown.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Ready? Nipun? Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
let us do one thing. You just open your eyes. We'll do it afterwards. Okay. Before that, I want to show you a video, very intelligent video. You have to see and tell me afterwards. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nipun, are you there, Nipun? If everybody is not there, it is difficult. Can you see the video? My screen?
Yes, sir.
What is written there?
For a special designation, we have taken interviews.
Okay. Now listen carefully. Okay. Where is Nipun?
Sir, may I call him?
Yeah, you call him. It is difficult. Nah? Only 3 persons are there. One is doing like that. Then it's difficult.
Okay, sir.
Just we are spoiling our time. Before joining, you must prepare everything. Video, audio, internet. Nityasri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nityasri, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start without Nipun?
Sir, he is in waiting room.
He is in waiting room. Where is he?
Sir, he is telling me that he had joined with another mobile and
That is okay. That is
Ask-
okay. But he must join. He should respond my talk. What I am asking. Nipun, are you there? See, no response.
Sir, still he hasn't joined, sir.
Huh?
Sir, he has joined, but he has joined the link.
But where is he?
Sir, he is telling me that he is in waiting room. Sir, can you disable the waiting room of Zoom? Then he may join.
What is that? How to do that?
Sir, can you disable the waiting room?
How to disable the waiting room? I see invite, mute all and all that. Disabling is not there.
Sir, then you go in the waiting room and admit him.
Hey, I am not finding he is asking for admission. I am not seeing him. I see only you two.
Sir, he had rejoined. Can you please check again the waiting room?
No, he has not joined.
Let me try once.
I mean, now he is there. Now he is there. Now he is there.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
and Nipun, can you see the screen? Hello, Nipun.
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully and see the video.
We have taken interviews through video calls.
Hi, just a minute. Yeah. No. Sorry, yeah. हाँ, शुरू हो गया. सिया. हेलो. आप लोगों में से पहले कभी किसी ने ऐसे ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू दिया है?
No.
All right. So let me just give you a bit brief about the job. ये जो job है, ये कोई आम job नहीं है. We're looking for something very distinct, very interesting. And the designation we are looking for is the Director of Operations. Well, हमारी responsibilities और requirements की जो list है, that's a bit long. Should be error-free, active, and I do not want him to give any excuses like सर दर्द, कमर दर्द, ये बहाना, वो बहाना, जुकाम बुखार.
मतलब कितने घंटों के लिए?
24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
ये कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया?
खाना खाने के लिए टाइम मिलेगा, राइट?
You need to finish your work first before that. Also, आपको ध्यान रखना होगा कि आपका associate पहले खाना खा ले. Then you can go on with your lunch. हम आपको खाना यहाँ नहीं देंगे और ना ही आप अपना खाना अपने घर से ला सकते हैं.
तो फिर
आपको अपना खाना खुद बनाना होगा.
ये तो हद हो गई.
Well, इसीलिए हमें एक ऐसे कैंडिडेट की जरूरत है who's good in culinary arts. Also, in medical sciences, management, finances.
इतनी सारी डिग्रीज एक साथ.
I want someone who's extremely positive and motivating. Who's very good at negotiation, interpersonal skills, who can learn, teach, supervise and organize. कोई भी facilities, gifts या gadgets हो, he should not be greedy. He should wait for his associates to get them first. I want someone जिसके स्वभाव में निडरता हो, उदारता हो, सहन शक्ति हो, सहानुभूति हो. If अगर कुछ भी इमरजेंसी होती है, तो आपकी associates की जिम्मेदारी आपको निभानी होगी. For an example, before the ambulance or the fire van comes, you should be ready to put your life on risk for your juniors as well as seniors to save them in case of any state of emergency.
Okay. काम में छुट्टी कितनी और कब मिलेगी?
छुट्टी? Well, कोई छुट्टी नहीं है. There are no leaves. Yeah, in fact, special days पे like Saturdays, Sundays, 31st, Holi, Diwali, आपका workload थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So you should be active for those days.
ये कैसा जॉब है?
This job is for humans, right?
और ये जॉब से फायदा क्या है?
आप जब काम करेंगे और अपने एसोसिएट्स की मदद करेंगे, तो जो अंदरूनी खुशी आपको मिलेगी, जो पीस ऑफ माइंड, जो पीस ऑफ सोल आपको मिलेगा, I think that's the reward of this job.
Okay, but what about the salary package?
I think this salary must be in crores, right?
Sorry, but the fact says कि इस जॉब के लिए आपको एक भी रुपया नहीं मिलेगा. So the amount of money you'll be paid for this job is absolutely nothing.
What?
No, आप कहना चाहते हो कि हम लोग इतना सब कुछ फ्री में करें?
You kidding, right?
No, I'm not kidding. अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अभी फिलहाल at present ये जॉब कर रहे हैं. You wanna know about them?
कौन लोग?
माँ.
Yeah.
You're right.
Oh, mom, you are the best.
Never thought about it. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
उनमें ये सारी क्वालिटीज है कि नहीं?
I think you're right. Culinary skills, management skills, finance, operations, घर संभालना.
She is the moral of all the degrees.
और उन्हें कभी छुट्टी भी नहीं मिलती है. Am I right?
छुट्टी के दिन सबसे ज्यादा काम करती है इनफैक्ट.
I mean, she's always there with us.
ये उसके सिवाय कोई नहीं कर सकता.
My you're just too awesome.
And you have always been there with me. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, कोई रहे या ना रहे, पर हमेशा मेरी मॉम मेरे साथ है.
जो मेरे खुशी में मेरे से ज्यादा खुश और मेरे परेशानी में मेरे से ज्यादा परेशान हो गया.
The interviews